Have you ever had any major injuries?
Yes, I've had many injuries. I've torn my meniscus, I've torn both elbows, torn both shoulders, I've torn my rib cage, and I have a couple herniated discs. So I've never had surgery, and I've healed everything on my own using the same methods and the same methodology that I use with my patients when they come into my practice, I've used for myself. I believe in nutrition, of course, as you know, so I take a lot of nutrients to make sure my body's supported in the repair process. And I do not completely, and what I've learned over the years, I do not completely shut down. I don't rest. I definitely don't irritate my tissue, but I definitely stimulate. My motto is stimulate, don't irritate. So you want to bring blood flow and circulation into any injured body part, but you want to do it in a way that you're not feeling sharp pain. So as long as you can do slow, controlled movements and get circulation into that area without feeling or without irritating anything, then you're going to enhance that repair process. So both my shoulders, both my elbows, my rib cage, everything healed perfectly, and I do my workouts and have no pain.